Good morning. It is 8 a.m. I am looking like the electro wizard right now, but I got a lot to do today, so let's get going. So I'm at the gym with Eric today. We're hitting push, and he stole my fit, unfortunately. Hey. Well, Eric just lost his ticket.
I lost my ticket, bro.
Yeah, so I guess
as if the parking situation here isn't bad enough already, bro.
Hell no.
I haven't paid the maximum. That's all that matters.
Hey, I like my new room, but there's one problem. I can't hang stuff. Like, who the hell designed this? So I'm gonna go fix this right now. Damn, look at that. I do not recommend this. Just like that, I can hang my clothes. Some of these shirts are low-key hitting the bottom, but also I can't really move this, so it is what it is. Kind of sexy though. Workout.
I know.
And there you go.
I love it.
Bam. So this is my favorite dish of all time, mapo tofu. And try it out.
I would say a 7.8 out of 10.
Oh, okay, that's pretty high. That's pretty high.
Pretty high.
First off, I'm gonna marinate this pork. I got a shit ton of lemongrass going in the blender. And a little shallot too. Well, you got like a pregnant piece of garlic. Garlic in. There's no sugar at the house yet, so I'm just going in with some powdered sugar. Ran out of powdered sugar, so the rest is gonna be some honey. And you know I love my soy sauce, sesame oil, just a little bit. Also found these old ass mandarins. I'm just gonna squeeze that in. And then apple cider vinegar for a little acidity. And now we blend. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, maybe this outlet works? Look at that yummy ass smoothie. Oh shit, that's so strong. What the? Now we got the pork, some nice thin slices. And there we go. Let's see if I get this in one go. Oh, marinate in. A little Japanese massage. And that's gonna marinate in the fridge. Oh. For cucumber salad, we got an average size cucumber. Tip off. Ooh. And then rough chop. Sometimes not being perfect is better. And there we go. Oh, cucumbers in. Oh wait, this bowl is way too small. Okay, well I can't find a bigger bowl, so I'm gonna be using a pot. A little salt and sugar to get the moisture out. Hey. Since I'm living in a startup house with a bunch of Filipinos and I got a bunch of leftover salmon scraps, I'm gonna be making a seasick inspired salmon dish. Yo, also shout out my Filipinos. Actually some of the nicest people that I met. Also for some background, I went to Jamie's birthday a month ago and the party was actually at this house. And I met the house manager, he loved me and he was like, just live here. I said, fuck it. A month later, I moved in. And dude, it's been crazy. Just every day making content, living with a bunch of content creators and startup people. Like this is actually a dream come true. Also one thing Chinese people and Filipino people have in common is we love garlic. So I got 5 cloves right here. A little Hulk smash. Oh, fuck. So fastest way to chop garlic, one hand on top and then just go up and down. Now I'm gonna do these sexy miso honey glazed carrots. Yo, we got the butt plug dildo carrot. Oh, nah. Ah, shit, we don't have a peeler. Bro, I do not want to peel these by hand. Bro, this shit is heinous. About to order a peeler so I don't gotta do that ever again.
What is there to gain?
To finish the cucumber salad, we're gonna drain these wet ass cucumbers. Now to finish the easiest side dish of all time, soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, touch of sesame oil, and the most important ingredient, that logam ma. If your chili oil doesn't have the grandma on it, throw that shit away. Now a little mix. Ooh, that shit gas. So dinner was about to be done, but then we had 2 other guests pull up.
Oh boy, am I hungry.
So we got the final spread over here with the cucumber salad, the miso honey glazed carrots, the lemongrass pork, steamed egg, and the salmon sisig. I low-key went hella overtime, but hopefully the food is good.
Yeah, pass that.
Alright, cheers. Yeah, oh. Cheers to you guys.
Oh, it's already half hot.
Excellent.
Fuck you, guys. Can I take the egg? Oh! Wait.
No.
This one? Oh, yeah.
Holy shit.
Someone get that reaction. Someone get that reaction. Do it again.
I can't fake it though.
No one take a bite until it's on camera. That's what I said. Wait, no, I actually think
But come through for the first time. No.
Oh, bro, that's crazy. I'm so good. Damn. Dang, girl.
Thank you.
Damn.
Clean plates.
Yes, clean plates cooked.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, Angel, how was it?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, let's go. Ooh, Masai, how is it?
Good.
Yeah. Wait, we have a little friend up there. Come on. There we go. There he goes.
I don't know. That's
Wait,
it.
Bye. Good food, even better people, and that's a wrap. Hey. Let's go.